Hey everybody, so in this video we're going to talk about the truth of selfishness. Now I don't think there we go. Now if you haven't already, hit subscribe and hit that notifications bell so you get a little notification every time I upload a new video. Now as you can see, I'm in my car. I am currently trapped in a standstill traffic jam. So hopefully the accident that the people are seeing to isn't too serious, but yeah, the traffic is pretty much standstill and I haven't moved. So I thought, why the hell not film today's video sat in my car with this wonderful spotlight. So as I said, the title of the video is the truth about selfishness. And the reason I want to talk about selfishness, I have mentioned it before, is that selfishness is a matter of perception. You know, it is your perception that something is a selfish act, and it's someone else's perception that one of your acts is selfish. I don't think doing things for yourself is selfish. I don't think putting yourself first is always selfish. Do I believe in courtesy? Do I believe in loving others? Do I believe in putting others first? Yes, of course. That's what I preach every day, and that's how I try to live my life. I fail daily, but that's how I try. We're all quite selfish beings, and as humans we do always naturally, even though maybe it's not where our urge goes, we naturally look at what situation is best for us, or how do we benefit, or how does someone we love benefit. We look at that as opposed to looking outside at purely doing things for somebody else. You know, it's because when we look at, you know, how will a loved one benefit, we'll benefit from the loved one benefiting, if that makes sense. It makes us feel good that a loved one is succeeding and growing. But the thing is, the truth about selfishness for me is that if you live your life as best you can, if you put people first as much as you can, it is okay to have a selfish moment. It is okay to eat the last chocolate. It is okay to take a day off just for you. It is okay not to do the housework. It is okay to want time on your own and not with friends or family. It is okay to be a little bit selfish. Because, and you would have heard me say it before and I'll say it again, the better person you are for yourself, the better person you will be for other people. And if being a better person to yourself means taking that time out, means having that bath and shutting the door, means leaving the grandkids or the kids with, you know, an auntie and uncle or you know, grandparents to look after, you know, if it means doing any of those things, then do it. Because don't be a martyr. I hear so many people say, oh, but I put so many, like, but I can't, like, especially, and it's a bit of a generalisation, mums tend to do it. They're like, it's very much, they tend to put their kids and their spouse and everything. That's a generalisation. It's not in all cases, and I'm not saying that dads don't do it either. That's not what I'm saying. If anyone comments on that saying that, I've said it right here. It's not what I'm saying. But in general, you tend to find that mums err towards the martyrdom in that, oh, it's, you know, it doesn't matter if I miss out because my kids are, but no, fuck that. Because the better person you are to yourself, the better mum you're going to be, the better spouse you're going to be, the better dad you're going to be, the better brother, the better sister, the better friend. You know, you need to take time out for you, and you need to nourish yourself as well. Now, is selfishness, is there a negative or a helpful version of selfishness? I think there is. I think there is as well. I think there is that side to it, but again, it's your perception. You know, I might perceive somebody as being selfish, but again, that's only my standard that I'm putting on them. So be aware that when you think someone's being selfish, it's purely because they're not acting how you would. They're not holding themselves to the same standard that you would hold yourself to. So just make sure you're aware of that and where the kind of selfishness comes from, and change the way you look at it. If it's somebody else in particular, you know, why do you think that way? Why do you think they're being selfish, and what standard are you holding them to? And is it because you don't always fit that standard, so you actually put it on other people? And it's a bit of reverse psychology. Because you don't meet it, you think, well, fuck you. You're like, you don't eat it either. It happens. We all do it. So I hope this video helps. Remember, it's good to be selfish on occasion, so you're a better person for yourself, so you're a better person for others. But there is the other side of it. So just be aware that, you know, if you are being, and you'll know when you're being selfish. You'll know when you're being when you're not acting within your higher self. You'll know when you're not being the person you want to be. So just be more mindful of it. But remember, it's all a perception, and regardless of what other people think of you in terms of they think you're being selfish, you can't control whatever you do. You can't control what other people think. So take a deep breath and breathe out and just think, fuck you. Hope you enjoyed that video. Hope it helps. Hit subscribe and hit that notifications bell, and hopefully by the time we do the next video, I will not be in this traffic jam. Lots of love. Bye.